Welcome to Flying Smoke. Today, a friend of mine I cook steaks with on the SCA trail, Jim Hudgins. He has a new sponsor and he wanted me to review his charcoal. Wonder why. Anyway, you guys get the benefit of seeing it and well, let's just talk about it. Boom, there it is. Lumberjack. It is from the European Union. It is 60% oak, 20% alder, and 20% birch wood. And if you go on the Lumberjack coal, well, I'll put the link down here. You click on it, and actually they show you the process of them making it, and it's dry in a kiln, and it's really a neat little video to watch. And you can order it out of Georgia. I believe right now it's shipping for 34 bucks a bag. It is restaurant quality, and I've heard a lot of good stuff about it. So what's better? Let's go try it out. Let's go. This is going to be a standard competition light-off 2 chimneys, and we're going to get 2 of these little paraffin tubes in here. And again, as discussed, it is a brand new charcoal that's just starting to hit the SCA. It's just becoming available in the United States now. A friend of mine, Jim Hudgins from the SCA, you can log on to his Facebook page and you can ask him questions. You can get with me on Flying Smoke at YouTube or Flying Smoke Barbecue at Facebook. It is 60% oak, 20% alder, and 20% birch. And when I was really upset with myself when I opened up the bag, I was like, whew, I should have had that on camera, because these pieces they're all nice and uniform and clean. That's really cool. You're gonna get that. We're gonna do that. Here we go. It sounds good. The pieces are pretty uniform. I would say this is a medium, almost like the size of a briquette, like a B&B briquette, which is a larger briquette, but that's okay. As you know, we fill to the top, so I might have to do a little moving around here. That one's a little neighbor's yard. There we go. Always get your product placement. All right, so bang these down. It's very light. Okay, that's pretty close to the top on both. Not too bad, not too bad. That's why you wear black clothes. All right, so my wife found my my timer again. We're at 0. Start it off. Here we go. Three to 5 seconds. Everybody always asks me, why do you use 2? Because they're cheap. And if that's what it takes to get charcoal lit, I'm not worried about 15 cents. All right. I'll move this to a safe spot over here. All right. And we're going to light off, and we're 30 seconds in. Smell. It smells like lump charcoal. It smells like oak lump charcoal. The smoke's gray. It's not pronounced. Not bad. All right, so we're gonna let this burn, and everybody knows roughly how long? 15-20 minutes, and it'll be ready to drop. And then, by then I will have cleaned up a little bit, and I will have gotten my my gloves for safety. And we'll drop this charcoal and see how she goes. All right, we'll see you then. All right, we're at 12 minutes. Still really, really clean burning. The orange glow is getting all the way to the top, and I did an outside. It was off camera, but I shot the sides of it. Oh, they're almost 800 degrees on the outside here. They're starting to get a little ashed over at the top. And as always, before I drop the coals. I'll bring it and show you what to get. A little bit of a drop, about a ½ inch right now, but it's smaller. The lump is smaller, so that's to be expected. But I mean, I'm at just coming up on 13 minutes right now, and the tops are starting to ash over. We'll be back. 15 minutes in. What do we notice here? About 2/3 ash at the top. I can tell you right now, this stuff, I'm standing off to the side because it is hot. This stuff is burning hot, and I've got 2 chimneys of it here. So you can see there, I switched to the 900-degree Kevlar gloves and to forego any burns. Boy, oh man, this stuff's hot. A little bit of a drop. I'm at about 1.5 inches right now of drop. 15 minutes and 30 seconds in. Honestly, in a couple minutes, this stuff's going to be ready to put down, get the grill grates on, see how she goes from there. We'll be right back. I'm in heat protection. We are at 18 minutes and 30 seconds right now, and these are pretty much ready to drop. They're about a minute early. They'd be ready to go at 19 minutes. But now you can see Lumberjack Charcoal, and that's what she looks like. That's my wood. That's the bird's eye view. 18 minutes and 45 seconds. All right. So I got about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of drop, coming up on 20 minutes. So I'm going to put the Kevlar gloves on, because this stuff is hot. I don't want to burn my fingers. Welding gloves usually are pretty good, but these are better. These can take, I believe it's 900 degrees. As long as you don't handle the coals too long, you'll be all right. That's 20 minutes right there. All right, here we go. Make sure the vents are open. Wow, this stuff's really pretty orange. Put this out of the way. All right, give it a quick little move around here. Oh my goodness. What you can't see is what I can feel, and that is hot. Let me bring you in and show you what these babies look like. That's what they look like. All right, on go the grill grates. And I always keep this stuff off camera because it is what it is. So anything flammable. So stop this. Started the timer again. Let's coat them up. And let's coat them up. Mostly this just helps me keep everything clean and shiny. I think we're going to be at the end of this can. That's what you get. We're 30 seconds in. Remember, we're looking for smoke to roll off this, because when I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing, if I'm busy at a contest, 600 degrees, smoke will roll. We're at 1:30 in. Let's see where we're at. Let's go right in the center. 400, let me bring that up there. 411 degrees. We'll go around the horn. 414, 395, 380, 400. Center, 414. And that's 2 minutes in. No smells, no chemical smells. Just smells like wood. Actually, I'm getting more of the grill grates. The smell. I don't think I cleaned them as good as I should have the last time. But that's why I do this. It keeps them clean, burning them off. All right, let's go around the horn. 570, 560, 558, 552. Center of the grill, 580. This stuff is no joke. It's getting good and hot. Typically, 10 minutes is about all you need And then I close this up so I get the, it makes it like an outdoor oven, the PK. I'll put a link to the PK down. I'm not sponsored by Lumberjack. I'm not sponsored by PK or this wonderful ThermalWorks product. I'll put a link for this down there too. It's an HVAC gun. If you're going to cook steak in competition, this one shoots, I don't know if you can see it. It shoots a circle. So you get a nice round number. It averages. It's really nice. Bam! 10 minutes. And just so you have an idea what time it is, it's about 4:45, excuse me. Let's see what we're looking at with 10 minutes. Center of the grill. $6.22. Let's go around the horn. 600. 600. 590. 580. 612. Okay. So it's a fairly uniform heat, 600 degrees. And honestly, I'm going to shut this now because it's at 10 minutes. Well, I hope you can see this. I hope it comes out. Look at the top and look at the bottom of my grill. They're both the same color, but this is darker now because of the heat. It's two colors of red right now. But I've got my grates open, or sorry, I've got my vents open, full at the bottom, full at the top. And I'll stop this. And I'm going to start this over. And at about 5:45, we'll come back out and see what the temperature is. And I'm going to cook steaks on it. We'll see in a few minutes. 58 minutes. I don't know if you can see that. It's almost 6 o'clock. Going a couple minutes early because, well, there's rain clouds coming in, so I got to get this on the road. So let's see what we got. Ooh, hot. All right, let's go to the center of the grill. $5.99. Let's go around the horn. $4.50. $4.35. $4.99. $4.90. $600. So the center of the grill is still really hot an hour later, and the sides are just starting to cool off just a little bit. It's not bad for lump charcoal. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. I talked with Jim, and I'll discuss it more in post, but this isn't even really for sale yet. It's just starting to come. It's been in, it's late, September 14th today, and sorry, September 13th. And this stuff was available 3 months ago. It's out of Georgia right now. That's where they're shipping it into, and they're starting to get it in more and more places. So I'll give it 2 thumbs up. I like it so much, I'm going to cook on it in a few minutes, but that's another video for another day. So let's wrap it up and post. All right, it's good charcoal. It was nice and hot, clean burning, and it was a hot burner. We liked it. I'm going to leave some links down in the description so you can go online and order a bag yourself. I saw it advertised in the shipper out of Georgia. That's Georgia, USA. And it's about 34 bucks a bag. Order yourself a bag and try it out. Tell me what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Helps us make videos. I didn't understand that until I became a YouTube man myself. So it really helps. And let me know what you think. We read all our comments. Coming up, I'm going to be doing some reshoots now that I have two PK grills. I'm going to shoot some more head-to-head videos, and I think you're going to get better results. I'm going to get better results for you with using 2 PKs. So anyway, look forward to seeing you soon. We'll see you later.